Assalamualaikum, Dr. Chandan Nazish from Pulse of Pediatrics. Today, I have taken the history and I'm going to summarize this history in my words. Anaya Naqvi, 6-month-old female, resident of Chakwal, presented through OPD on 17 Feb 2025 with a presenting complaint of growth failure. I should not write growth failure. मुझे लिखना चाहिए था not gaining weight for since birth. Actual history of the patient dates back at 1 month of age when mother noticed baby is not growing well. She was taken to the local hospital where height and weight measured नहीं होना चाहिए, where height and weight monitored and that fall below the normal level. Patient is referred, लिखा हुआ है, patient was referred to the CMH hospital for the further workup. Patient is second in the ship of the three with no history, significant family history of cardiovascular, GIT, respiratory, CNS disorder. तो इसको आप ऐसे बेहतर तौर पर लिख सकते हैं कि पेशेंट इज सेकंड इन द sibling of three among the sibling of three with no history, significant family history of cardiovascular, renal or hypertension. Prenatal history is insignificant with history of hepatitis B in the mother for which the mother was vaccinated. Mother took the folic acid at appropriate time. Normally scan was normal. There is history of prolonged jaundice in the baby for which the patient received phototherapy. took नहीं होना चाहिए, received होना चाहिए. No history of fits के बजाय ज़्यादा अच्छा word seizures है. Hypoglycemia or NICU admission. There is immediate cry. Patient is breastfed for 2 years with top feeding also started in between the breastfeeding. Weaning not yet started. Mother is washing the bottle adequately. ये मेंशन करना चाहिए था. And she is making the feed in 1 ounce. She is adding 1 scoop of milk. Currently patient is breastfeed. Weaning not yet started. डिलेड वीनिंग है, सारी वो चीज़ें हैं. देयर इज़ नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ फिट्स नहीं होना चाहिए, सीजर्स होना चाहिए, और टाइटस मीडिया, कफ, लूज मोशन, इंक्रीज यूरिनरी फ्रीक्वेंसी, डार्क कलर यूरिन, हिमेचूरिया, जॉइंट पेन, रैश, ओरल अल्सर्स, जॉइंट स्वेलिंग. क्योंकि छोटा बच्चा है उसमें तो जॉइंट पेन का तो नहीं पता चलेगा. जॉइंट स्वेलिंग. Patient is admitted and investigated in the form of blood tests, CBC, serum electrolytes, ABGs, and urinary electrolytes, which shows some abnormalities in the serum electrolytes as well as in the urinary electrolytes. Ultrasound abdomen was normal with no renal abnormality noted. There is history of frequent hospital visit but no history of admission in the hospital. Child is immunized till day. All the milestones are achieved at the appropriate time and with a satisfactory socioeconomic history. Patient concern related to the disease and knowledge is inadequate. They were told that patient is suffering from some kidney issue but they are not well aware of the disease. Thin built child with Simon face and low satire, having weak nose. Length of 50 centimeter, weight is 1.8 kg and OFC measuring about 46 centimeter. Mid arm circumference is 10 centimeter, that is far below the normal centile. Child is pallor with no petechiae, bruises noted, no jaundice, dysmorphism or distress. There is distended abdomen with no hepatosplenomegaly, negative blotment sign, no signs of free fluid with absent pedal edema. There is no signs of rickets present and spine is also intact. So based upon my history and examination, I would like to summarize the case. 6-month-old Abiha with a history of failure to gain weight since birth. And on examination, there is significant history of polyhydramnios and prolonged jaundice. But no significant history of but no other significant history except no weaning started yet and patient is having some renal abnormality. So based upon my history and summary, I have missed some points. इसमें मुझे क्या क्या बताना चाहिए था. आई शुड एक्सप्लेन कि बर्थ वे गैप कितना था प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान. मदर को वैसे एज सच कोई बीमारी नहीं थी. देयर वाज नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ कीपर कॉन्टैक्ट, नो मीजल्स, नो अदर रैश or no significant history, but I should have rule out all these points in the history. So based upon history and examination, my differentials include Bartter syndrome and RTA. So Bartter syndrome, why Bartter syndrome? Because there is history of polyhydramnios, and along with polyhydramnios there is the history of increased urinary loss of electrolytes in the form of polyuria. Although patient haven't given the history of polyuria, but she said there is some urinary abnormalities in the electrolytes which I have discussed there. So पोलीयूरिया हम लोग कब बोलेंगे? पोलीयूरिया तब बोलेंगे बड़े बच्चों में और इन्फेंट्स में ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है. बड़े बच्चों में अगर 4 मिलीलीटर पर केजी पर आर के लिहाज से अगर आपके पास यूरिन लॉस आ रहा है तो डैट इज़ पोलीयूरिया. और छोटे बच्चों में आप पेम्पर को देखते हैं, पेम्पर की क्वांटिटी को देखते हैं और फ्रिक्वेंसी को देखते हैं. ठीक है, तो क्वांटिटी को कैसे आप चेक करते हो? उसमें यही होता है कि नॉर्मली जो है ना, वो अगर आपके पास जो बेबी होता है वो 1 से 2 ऑन्स जो है ना वो यूरिन की सेक्रेशंस कर रहा होता है. अगर 3.5 ऑन्स या आप ये कह सकते हैं 100 ग्राम से ज़्यादा उसका वेट होगा पेम्पर का, नॉर्मली 30 से 60 के दरमियान में होता है. और अगर उससे ज़्यादा होगा तो इट मीन्स ही सफरिंग फ्रॉम पोलीयूरिया. इन द सेम वे देयर आर 6 to 8 टाइम urine passage per day, but if it is greater than 10 times then it is polyuria. So you should know all these things. Hopefully you will like this video. Kindly share your comments and highlight the mistakes in the comment section. Thank you so much.